So some institution you have been pioneering on competency based education approach. How does this competency based education approach really talk about building the fundamental, the fundamentals of the child, and in strengthening his the foundational aspect of literacy and numeracy and other critical issues in education. Could you just explain your this approach, this competency based education approach?
Sure. So, like uh, like what Manoranjan had explained earlier, I'll just maybe go deeper on the same. So, we um, we have done remarkably well in terms of at least getting students to school. Like a lot of students are going to school, and the percentage has gone up remarkably over the last decade or so. Uh, and there is a lot of push also on the learning level. So ASA report and a lot of other reports capturing how much students can know or how much they can read or write. But I think the next challenge, like Manoranjan has already identified, is whether students can apply that knowledge into real life situations. So, when we talk about 2047 as Viksit Bharat, essentially what we need is people who can who can join workforces, who can be entrepreneurs, who can be leaders, and so essentially we need to currently work with students and build their competencies so they can problem solve, they can critically think, they can collaborate, they can do teamwork. Now all of that is currently not being worked on in the classrooms. Like we are still struggling with reading, writing, numeracy basics. So quality education, the focus, NEP talks about it, but if you go to the schools, in government schools, you would not see that shift already. So what we need to do on a very immediate basis is uh, is really get schools to shift. And like you correctly identified, not just in government schools, even in private schools,
Okay.
it's a lot of rote learning that's
Yeah,
happening.
yeah.
So if we can get uh, and also whatever gets measured is what gets gets the most attention. So are we measuring competencies? There are no reports, or all the current reporting system measure marks which measure retention in the brain and not competencies. So like we should move to a system wherein we are testing students for their competencies, and then incentivizing both teachers and students to build competencies, like uh, through various projects that can be given in the schools, through by connecting, like is that contextual and real life education. Like if there's a chapter being taught on plants, so the plants have to be from the surrounding areas, and then they should know that what are the, like we have all undergone formal education, but we don't know what are the plants which are there around our house. That's the funny part about education. So how can we have education which is contextual? We can understand things that are around us, which would naturally increase our interest in education, would make us more grounded, solid, and then we can build on that base and build further competencies. So
Okay. Thank you, sir.